Hey, it's your boy SP. This is our first actual, vlog video. So I'm just gonna talk about some channel stuff on my other channel, Grog Games. Sort of crazy. If you checked out my other video about YouTube Shorts, you would know that my channel, gained some traction with the YouTube Shorts and has since, increased in subs and a little bit in watch time. And views, mostly views. Yeah, so I was at, what was it, like 617 at this, the start of the year, on the 6th of January, and now I'm at 933. Sort of wild. Might even hit 1K this week. At the time of the other YouTube short video, I was at 800 or something like that, so it's been really wild. I think I said I had only uploaded 3 or 2 before. Now I've uploaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shorts. My biggest being 32K with some dumb Left 4 Dead YouTube short. So yeah, the YouTube shorts have been interesting. I just don't know if they're relating back to my channel in terms of actual community members. The whole point of shorts is basically to get people to come to your channel so then they can watch your regular videos. That's all it is. Because as of right now, which is the 17th of January 2021, YouTube Shorts cannot be monetized. You also, if you did not know, you cannot get watch hours from YouTube Shorts to count towards your 4,000 watch hours to monetize your channel. I don't know why. I don't know why. They do count towards watch hours if they're being watched from an actual computer, like a PC instead of your phone, but if someone's watching a YouTube short on their phone, it does not count towards watch hours. So my watch hours have grown a little bit, but nothing super dramatic or anything. So just really quick, if you look at this analytics page, this is I just set it as custom. So I started my first short on the 6th. That's what this thing is, that Minecraft fight wither blah blah blah. And it's set till today. So I got 56K views, all the big ones being shorts. Yeah, so these two, they didn't do that well compared to the other ones, but still 1K is so many views. I was trying to do a quick calculation of if I got more views on my other videos, and so I did this from the 6th to the 16th, and then on another tab here I have right before that, 12 days before it, because this is 12 days as well. And I've got 1,756 views. So I tried to subtract all the views I got from shorts to see what my total would be, so I could compare it to the 1,700 views that I would normally get in a 12-day span. I was at 1,368. So I don't know if people coming to my channel from shorts are actually watching my other stuff, which is a little concerning. I think I need to brainstorm about reining it in with what kind of shorts I post. I think my plan going forward is to do that. Be more accurate with it, be more efficient. Only do shorts for games that I would play on my channel, so then the people watching that short are like, oh, he has an actual let's play of this, maybe you'll watch that. And then the other thing is with my shorts, I'm gonna say at the end of the short, so anyone who makes it to the end, I'm gonna put subscribe for a little subscribe button, and then for more shorts and other things. So we'll see if that helps, if that brings in more people. But yeah, I'm gonna do a few more shorts this week even. I think I have one scheduled for Tuesday, and then another one scheduled for Tuesday, and then another one scheduled for Wednesday. I don't know, I just was like, why not? Why not, right? I mean, apart from YouTube shorts, well, I mean, it's going good. It's the 17th of January already. When I'm filming this, so I don't know. It's weird to think that my goal was 1,000 subs by the end of 2021, and here not even a month into 2021, I'm gonna probably get that. So I don't know how to feel about it, because I don't think shorts are a scummy way or anything. I'm just trying to use what's given to me, because as small YouTubers, I think we need to be able to analyze YouTube and look at all of our options, and this is a way of doing that by creating content without being scummy about it. Like, this isn't like sub for sub or anything. This is an actual technique that you can use and exploit within YouTube in order to get more people. So I'm gonna use it a little bit and we'll just see where it goes. I mean, if we get to the point where I'm really not seeing anyone that's coming in, like new subs actually watching my other stuff, then I'll probably stop doing them or maybe do like one a week. Anything else I want to talk about? I think this channel's going okay so far. I think we have, what, 14 subs by the time I'm recording this or something? But, so that's good. The point of this channel is nothing to do with like monetary value or anything like that. I don't really care about growth so much on this channel. I just want to be able to help people and maybe make them think in another way that they haven't been doing in terms of like YouTube tips or creatively when I eventually interview some people, some other small YouTube creators. So I don't really care about getting to 1K on this channel or anything like that. Thanks for listening to me. I think, yeah, next video we'll probably do another tip video or something like that. And then eventually we'll do interviews, which I'm actually very excited for because I want to get everyone's take on YouTube in general and their channels. I'm very pumped, but I do have to like prep for that because I need to make a list of who I want to interview, if they'll do it, set that up, blah blah blah. I'm gonna like research their whole channel before then too, so I actually have good questions. So it's gonna take a little bit of effort to do before then, but for now, thank you for watching, and I still don't have an outro. Go Deadpool! Zoom in on Deadpool.